Hey, if you wonder if there's always on display on the Realme 12 5G, let me quickly check this. So first I'm going to input this phrase, the always on display, in the settings. But it looks like that we cannot find any results. So let's navigate into the display at the first and let's take a look if we can find this function. As you can see, it's not available right here. So let's go into the home screen and the lock screen. But still, we cannot find always on display. So it actually means that this smartphone doesn't have this feature, but I just find the way how we can turn it on. And I will actually record a separate video, another video, how to do this because it will be a little bit longer. We will actually use the external application. So you can just go into my channel, open the search engine and input this phrase Realme 12 5G, how to turn on always on display. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.